Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the brush settings in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture. Now press on draw down below, and before drawing you can manage the brush settings here. You can select first a color to draw with. After that, go back to the brush section, and here you can manage the size of the brush. You can also manage the opacity, basically how visible is going to be your drawing, and the feather as well, which is going to be how big the area is going to be basically of your brush. And after that, all you need to do is just begin drawing anything that you want, and you can constantly manage these settings. You can make the brush size maybe smaller and draw basically. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.